This is another question for KVL. Okay. In this question, you can see that all of you, we have only one battery connection. Okay. So the if we have a one battery connection, this is my positive, this one is negative. So this is the direction of the current. Okay, and this is the direction of the current. So I can able to write this one is my I. Current is I, and this current I, when it will come over here in this junction, it is distributed into two part. One is over here and second part is over here. So I can able to write this side is going to be I1 and this side is going to be what? I2. Okay. So according to the Kirchhoff's first law, that is C KCL है ना, or we can able to write apply first law also. So when you apply a first law, then what you are going to observe, I is equal to I1 plus I2. So where it's going to be happen, it's going to be happen in this junction only. Okay, now after that, now again we are going to apply what, because we know that this is a KVL where we apply for a closed loop. We are apply for a closed loop. So when you are going to apply for a closed loop, you can see that in this diagram, these two part, these two both are closed loop. Okay, so the current is moving like this, so I can able to make the diagram, means this is the direction of flow of current, and here also again it is moving like this. So I'm going to make the another one. So this one is my closed loop 1, and this one is my loop 2. I can able to write loop 1 loop 2 also. Okay, so you can able to write loop 1 and loop 2 also, because that is why I written 1 and 2. Okay, now how we are going to write in this, because you can see that here the direction of this one, it is same in the direction of the resistance. Current is in the direction of the resistance, so we can able to write, because you know that what is the formula is sum of IR is equal to sum of E. Okay, E means EMF. So what we are going to write, we will write I1 into 4 plus, here it is 2, so we will write 2. What we have, this is my I current, so I will write I is equal to what is my EMF for this battery. The battery EMF, we will write 5. Okay, so let's suppose it's a 5, so we can able to write 5. Okay, so 4 I1 plus 2I, okay, is equal to what? It is 5. Now I value is the combination of what? I1 plus I2. So we can able to write 4I1 plus 2I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 5. So 4 plus 2, this is going to be 6I1 plus 2I2 is equal to 5. This is my equation 1. Okay, now you have to solve this, find out for the second equation or loop 2. This is what? This is your loop 2. So for a loop 2, you can able to write here we can able to write loop 2. So loop 2 value is going to be what? You can see this is the direction of the I2. Okay, this is the direction of the I2, and it is what? It is 6 I2, 6 into this. So what we get? We get 6 I2. Okay, but when it is moving from this side, it will come over here and then it will move this side. So this is going to be what? It is opposite to the direction. So we can able to write what? We will write minus 4 I1 is equal to. Now you can see that in this loop, in the second loop, we don't have any battery. We don't have any cell. So when we don't have any cell, we will write what? We write 0. We will write what? We will write 0. So this is your equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and equation 2. So when you solve equation 1 and 2, you get the value of I1 and I2 and I3. So I think you can able to solve this one, all of you. Minus 4I1 plus 6I2 is equal to 0. Okay. So to solving of this, we can able to multiply equation 2. Here we can able to multiply with what? 2, and here we can able to multiply with 3. So when you multiply with 2, what you get over here? You get here 12I1. This is going to be 4I2. This is going to be 10, and this value is, because we multiply with this one, 3. So 12I1, 18I2. This is 0. So it's cancel. So you solve this one. This we get 22I2 is equal to 10. So what is the value of I2? I2 is equal to 10 by 22. Okay, clear? And solve this one, we get 5 by 11. Now this 5 by 11 value you will put in the equation 2. So you get the value of I2 also. Okay, and then when you get the value of I2, then you put this value in this first equation, that is I is equal to I1 plus I2. Clear? Thank you, students.